We are seeing the expansion yet again of Israel's ground and air operation across the Gaza Strip. We've seen those renewed evacuation orders for civilians to move out of so-called conflict areas to safe zones where they are said to be protected according to these maps provided by the Israeli military. But the warnings that we've repeatedly heard now from humanitarian organizations is that there is simply nowhere safe to go. And the overnight strikes that we saw last night, yet another example, a school or a former school now sheltering hundreds, if not thousands of civilians, as are many of those remaining schools in the Gaza Strip, struck just after midnight last night, and we have seen distressing video emerging from the aftermath of that strike. The building, parts of it turned to rubble, still on fire as emergency workers attempted to put out the flames. Some of those civilians in the area also trying to help simply with buckets of water. But as you mentioned, at least 20 people have been confirmed, according to Palestinian health authorities in the Gaza Strip, to have been killed. Many of those who were killed and injured, of course dozens more were wounded, were taken to the Al Ahli Baptist Hospital. And it is there that hospital officials have said that while they were able to identify the bodies of at least 20 victims, others who did not survive the strike arrived in plastic bags in body parts, and they were not able to identify many of those, and that many of the dead and wounded were women and children. Of course, this is something that we have heard from health authorities on repeated occasions almost every day now, as we continue to see those airstrikes across the Gaza Strip.